Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beginner. In this video I will explain indexing in string. Before knowing indexing in string, you should know about the string. Now let's see what is string. Is a data type in Python. Basically string is a data type in Python. Now what is data type? I hope you guys know about the data types. There are many data types that are used in every programming language. String is one of them in Python. The next point is it is a sequence of character enclosed in quotes. Now string is a sequence of character, like see the example here. Here I have written beginner. Beginner is a sequence of characters which I enclosed in single quotes. So this is a string. String can be written in three ways. We can write a string in three ways. First way is this in single quotes. Second way is this in double quotes. The third way is in triple single quotes. You can write the string in three ways, which I have mentioned. I hope you guys get to know about the string. Simply just string is a data type in Python and it is a sequence of character which is enclosed in quotes. Quotes like single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes. You can write a string in these three quotes. Now back to the topic, indexing in string. We guys know about the string. Now we use indexing to assess character of a string. Now for example, if I want to assess the last three character in this string, then we need to use indexing, because through indexing we can assess a character from a string. Now indexing represent the position of a character in a string. Now I have a string here Python, and I am giving a indexing value to each character in this string. Now P character has a index value 0, Y has a index value 1, T has a index value 2, and so on. So these index values are called here position. Like P has a position 0, Y have a position 1, T has a position 2, and so on. Individual characters in a string can be assessed by specifying the string name followed by a number in square brackets. Now like I have this string like Python. Now if I want to assess only O character, then I need to use square brackets. Okay, let's see with an example. Here I have taken string 1 as a variable and assigning a string to it like hello world. Now I want to print individual character in this string. Then I have to use square bracket. First I have written round brackets. Inside round brackets I have written print. Then I have used these brackets because I want to print individual character. Now first the round brackets. Inside the round brackets you need to use the name of the string, which I have written here s1, and then in this square bracket you need to put the index value. Now suppose I have already told you about the indexing value, which is a position actually. Now see, first the index value start from 0. Now H have 0, E have 1, L have 2, L have 3, and O have 4. Now if you want to print this O, then you need to given here the index value 4. After giving the index value 4, you will get the output as O, because O has the position 4 and we have written 4 here, so we will get O in our output. Now if you want to print L, then you need to write here 2. After writing 2, you will get the output L. Okay, so basically you need one you need to remember one thing. If you want to print individual character, then you need to use this square brackets. Inside this square brackets, you have to write the string name, and then in this square bracket you need to write the index value. Okay, now here this is, I have already told you, indexing start from 0 to so on. Now the first character in the string has index 0, the next has index 1, and so on. See, this is the string, and the first character has index 0, and the next character has index value 1, and so on. Okay, trying to assess a character out of index range will gives you an error. Now see, here I have a string which index range start from 0 to 5. Now if you try to assess the indexing value 6, then you will get an error. Why? Because we have an index range from 0 to 5. We don't have an index value 6. You are trying to assess the index, you are trying to assess a character out of the index range. That's why you will get an error. Now string can be assessed from both direction, forward and backward. Now forward direction is this. This is a forward direction which start from the front, and it start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now what is backward indexing? Backward indexing start from the back of the string, and it start with the index value -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. This is the difference between forward and backward. Forward indexing start from front of a string from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Backward indexing start from the back of the string with the -1 index value to -2, and so on. Now it start with -1, as I already told you. Backward indexing start from -1. -1 refer to the last item. Now here -1 index value refer to the last item, which is here n, and -2 second last, and so on. The example of the backward indexing. Again, if you want to print individual character in a string, then you need to use this square. Now inside this round bracket you need to give the name of the string, and in this square bracket you need to write the backward indexing value. Now if I am here giving the backward indexing value -1, because I want to print this n character. After giving the backward indexing value -1, I will get output as n. I hope this video helps you to know about the indexing in string, and if this video is helpful to you, then please do not hesitate to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video.